Welcome to our incredible planet, Earth, a blue marble floating in the vastness of space, filled with life, mystery, and endless wonder. From towering mountains and deep oceans to vast deserts and lush rainforests, Earth is the only planet we know that supports life. In this video, we'll dive deep into the geography of Earth, explore how it's built, what makes it unique in the solar system, and reveal mind-blowing facts that will make you see our planet like never before. So buckle up, because we're about to take a breathtaking journey across our only home in the universe, planet Earth. Let's start with the basics. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in our solar system. It's about 12,742 kilometers in diameter and has a circumference of around 40,075 kilometers. Our planet formed roughly 4.54 billion years ago. That's older than most stars you see in the night sky. But here's the amazing part. Despite being made of rock, metal, and gas, Earth has something no other planet we know has: life. That's because Earth sits in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, just the perfect temperature for liquid water to exist. And water is the secret ingredient to life as we know it. Earth is also protected by a magnetic field that shields us from harmful solar radiation, and a thin blanket of atmosphere that keeps us warm and allows us to breathe. Earth's structure. Now, let's look deep inside our planet. Earth is made up of four main layers. 1. The crust. This is the outermost layer where we live. It's thin, only about 5 to 70 kilometers thick, but it holds the continents, oceans, and mountains. 2. The mantle. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, which makes up about 84% of Earth's volume. It's made of hot, semi-solid rock that slowly moves. This movement drives plate tectonics. 3. The outer core, a layer of molten metal, mostly iron and nickel. Its movement generates Earth's magnetic field. 4. The inner core, a solid sphere of iron and nickel, about as hot as the surface of the Sun. Nearly 5,700 degrees Celsius, 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, even though the ground beneath your feet feels solid, our planet is alive and dynamic inside. Earth's geography is truly spectacular. Let's start with the continents. Our planet's landmass is divided into 7 continents. Asia, the largest and most populous continent. Africa, rich in natural resources and home to vast deserts and rainforests. North America, known for diverse landscapes from icy Alaska to tropical Mexico. South America, home to the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains. Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Europe, known for its cultural and geographical diversity. Australia, the smallest continent, rich in unique wildlife. Covering about 29% of Earth's surface, the continents rise above the oceans, which cover the remaining 71%. Speaking of oceans, there are 5 major oceans. 1. The Pacific Ocean, the largest and deepest. 2. The Atlantic Ocean, famous for trade routes and history. 3. The Indian Ocean, warm and bordered by many tropical countries. 4. The Southern Ocean, surrounding Antarctica. 5. The Arctic Ocean, the smallest and shallowest, covered partly in ice. Together they form the hydrosphere, the watery world that makes Earth blue. Earth's landscapes. Earth's surface is a masterpiece of natural design. The highest point is Mount Everest, standing 8,848 meters above sea level. The deepest point is the Mariana Trench, plunging about 11,000 meters below the Pacific Ocean. The largest desert isn't the Sahara, it's actually Antarctica. Yes, because it's the driest place on Earth. The longest river is often debated between the Nile and the Amazon, depending on how you measure it. Earth also has over 1,500 active volcanoes and thousands more dormant or extinct. These natural vents constantly reshape our planet. And let's not forget the plate tectonics, massive plates of Earth's crust that slowly move, colliding or drifting apart, creating mountains, earthquakes, and ocean basins. Earth's atmosphere. Now let's move upward to the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and tiny amounts of other gases like argon and carbon dioxide. It's divided into layers. Troposphere, where weather happens. Stratosphere, home to the ozone layer, which protects us from UV rays. Mesosphere, where meteors burn up. Thermosphere, where the northern lights dance. Exosphere, the edge of space. Without this delicate balance, Earth would be either frozen solid or scorched by the sun. And here's a fascinating fact. If you could shrink Earth's atmosphere into a ball, it would be just 1% of Earth's total volume. Yet, it's enough to support every breath we take. Earth's movements. Earth is never still. It's constantly moving, spinning and orbiting. It rotates once every 24 hours, giving us day and night. It orbits the sun once every 365.25 days, creating our year. Its axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees, which gives us seasons. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it's summer there and winter in the south. 6 months later, it's the opposite. This perfect tilt and motion balance keep our planet stable and habitable. Earth and the Moon. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. It's about 384,400 kilometers away, and it takes about 27.3 days to orbit us. The Moon influences tides, stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, and lights up our night sky. And here's something amazing. The Moon is slowly drifting 3.8 centimeters away from Earth each year. Millions of years from now, lunar eclipses will look very different. Life on Earth. Now comes the most magical part. Life. From single-celled organisms to complex creatures like humans, Earth's biosphere is home to over 8.7 million known species, and countless others yet to be discovered. Life exists in the deepest oceans, the highest mountains, the driest deserts, and even inside volcanic vents. Everything is connected. Plants produce oxygen, animals breathe it, and when they die, they enrich the soil. It's a circle of life unlike anything else we know in the universe. Interesting and amazing facts about Earth. Let's finish with some mind-blowing facts about our home planet. 1. Earth's rotation is slowing down by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. 2. Over 80% of Earth's oceans remain unexplored. We know more about space than our own deep sea. 3. Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. 4. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. 5. If Earth were the size of a billiard ball, it would actually be smoother than one. 6. Around 2,000 thunderstorms are happening right now, somewhere on Earth. 7. Antarctica holds 70% of Earth's fresh water, locked in ice. 8. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller every year due to tectonic movement. 9. Earth's magnetic poles have flipped many times in the past and may flip again in the future. 10. And finally, every atom in your body was once part of a star. You are literally made of stardust. Our responsibility. Earth is not just a planet. It's a living, breathing system that sustains us all. But our home is fragile. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation threaten its balance. It's our responsibility to protect it, so future generations can enjoy its beauty and diversity. After all, as astronaut Neil Armstrong once said, "It suddenly struck me that that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth, home to everyone you ever knew." So, that's our incredible planet, Earth, full of wonder, power, and endless beauty. If you enjoyed exploring our world today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos about our universe. Until next time, keep looking up and keep taking care of our one and only home.